Hey guys, we're gonna be doing a table tennis video. It's ping pong. Okay, I'm starting. I'm gonna serve. My mom has 1 point, I have 0. I don't even remember my math. I don't want to be in the video. Anyways, okay, so 2-0.
How do you serve, Dane? That's a pretty good serve. Go.
3-0. Wait, no, wait, 2-0.
2.
2-1. 2-1. You have 2, I have 1.
Your turn, Dane.
Cal, get it and like zoom in and back.
So 2-2, I think, right?
Lightning God.
3-2. It's fine. Thunder is playing with his friend right now, so he's not going to be in this video.
Thunder and lightning do not play very nicely.
No, well,
Ah!
Yes, Thunder and me fight all the time.
You sound proud of it.
Okay, so it's 3-3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
3-4.
Okay.
And whoever gets to 5, okay? If my mom or me are going to win.
Who do you vote for? Write it in the comments.
No! My mom won. I don't know where the ball went. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.